Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. We're back here at Universal Orlando, where everything started for our channel, because today we're celebrating 1,000 subscribers and we're gonna go have lunch at the Hard Rock Cafe. Come on in, check it out. Wow, such an awesome, beautiful October day here in Orlando. But even better, celebrating with you guys. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed to Medling World. Roberta, Jake, we have hit a huge milestone on our channel. Over 1,000 of you have gone like that and hit that subscribe button. If you are one of the people that have not, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. Roberta, we've been accepted into the YouTube partner program. I am so happy. And look, here it is, celebrating 1,000 subs. And what better way to celebrate, Roberta, than rocking right into the Hard Rock Cafe.
Yes.
And guys, just to give you a little logistics, there was where we took the picture, NBC, the grill, and Hard Rock's right here.
But yeah,
so I figured we're gonna go in, we're gonna have some lunch, give you a full review of our lunch, and I'll give you some information here about Hard Rock as we enjoy and celebrate with all of you, because without you guys, there would be no Medling World. So please, again, take a moment, become part of the Medling World community. Like the video, subscribe to the video, share with your friends. So guys, as you can see here in front of the Hard Rock Cafe, I love the nice marquee with the sequence in the background. They also have the shop there and the iconic Hard Rock Cafe guitar. Beautiful. And here at this particular Hard Rock, this is the official Hard Rock of Orlando, so it also has the venue here for your concerts. You can go up there. It kind of shows you there also on that digital marquee some of the upcoming events. They also have a ticket center there, box office, where you can purchase some tickets. Matter of fact, before we go inside, let's go have a look and see who's performing here, just so you guys can kind of have an idea of the different performers that they do bring in here to the Hard Rock Cafe Orlando. So guys, just to show you some of the upcoming events, remember, subject to change. I'm just kind of going down so you can see the different ones. You can hit pause whenever you want. Coming over on this side, let's head off. So it looks like they have right up here all the way to February next year. Of course, they probably add some on. That sounds cool. Louis Black, also comedian, old school. So give you an idea of some of the different acts. And again, guys, box office open 7 days a week, 10 to 9. And I'm kind of right under here where you would enter into the venue. I love the guitars. Hey guys, 1,000 subs. We love you, all of you. Hit that button. Welcome back, my friends, to the show that never ends. Very famous song lyrics. Let me know, guys, in the comments. You guys know where that's from. Who can be the first to guess it? And over here is where you enter into the restaurant. So I think what we'll do is we'll kind of go in, we'll have some lunch, and then I'll show you a little bit of the merch after we eat. So guys, as we're waiting to be seated, just kind of wanted to show you the bar area there with the pink Cadillac up top. Really cool in here, man. Loving it, loving it. We'll definitely show you some more as we continue on with our lunch. So guys, I know you don't want to look at me, but let's look at some of the cool stuff as we walk to our table today. Just a lot of BB King there, right? Look at that. Ike Turner, love it. Love the stained glass up there as well. Sorry for the lighting in here, guys, a little dark. And it looks like we got a pretty cool seat. Again, I'm gonna apologize right away. It is dark in here, so we'll do our best to show you what we get and everything going along with our awesome celebration lunch today for over 1,000 subscribers. So guys, just to show you quickly, because there are definitely going to be copyright problems with the music, so I'm going to show you a page at a time here. Here's your starters. Legendary steak burgers, Wow, so they got some really, really cool steak burgers. They'll just kind of show you the pictures of each one. Wow. Quite an extensive menu, different sandwiches, chicken, barbecue, pork, salads and bowls. Let's come back to that. I might get something there. And then specialty entrees, they have steaks, they have barbecue. Wow. And then of course desserts. Apple cobbler. I'm allergic to apples, by the way, but that New York cheesecake does look very good. And looks like you can get a sundae. Hey, shadows. And guys, to Journey playing and to all of our subs, any way you want it, we'll take it. I figured I'd sneak upstairs, guys, and just kind of show you. There is so much memorabilia in here. It is unbelievable in this Hard Rock Cafe. Tons and tons of it. Let's go upstairs and I can kind of give you a shot, a view looking down. Let's check this out. This is such a cool view up here, guys, at the bar. I love the way it circles all around. There's Roberta and Jake right over there. Jake's waving. Cool. Look at that, guys. And this goes all around up here. There's nobody seated up here yet. I couldn't pass by the Foo Fighters with the autographs here. Roberta's favorite band, Foo Fighters, all day long. Roberta, I'm loving the Guns N' Roses playing. And guys, this is so cool. Look up. Old school videos. Look at Axl. Boy, what a difference, huh? Roberta, what did you get?
Country burger.
Country burger?
Country burger. Jake got the big burger.
The big burger.
And Matthew got...
I got the Swiss burger. We're just gonna dig in, guys, and we're gonna let you know what we think of it. How is it? As you can see, he approves. And Roberta, you didn't tell me how yours is.
Oh, it's good. It's very good.
Food's great, man. These burgers are awesome. So we were just informed by one of the managers here who's kind of hanging out with us, talking to us. We may get a little personal tour here, Hard Rock Orlando. Are you guys ready to check this out? Guys, we're gonna have a little tour here of Hard Rock Cafe Orlando as we enter into the elevator. Wow. VIP. Here we go. We're gonna see you in vlog time, 2 seconds, on the second level. All Beatles in here, guys. So cool, all you Beatle fans. But that's a very iconic picture. And I think we're going into door 71. Let's see what happens. Let's see what's behind door 71, guys.
This is a recreation of John Lennon's Times Square apartment. Wow.
Now this is cool.
Wow.
This is cool. Little dark, guys.
All the white furniture over there.
So everything's authentic besides the white furniture.
This is all authentic, little dark, but this is a recreation of his New York apartment. This is awesome. Everything in here, Roberta, is original except for the what?
Authentic unless, except
The
for
white sofa down here by me.
the white sofa.
So this is
We
his.
have a white sofa, just not this one.
Look at this, guys, with all the autographs of people who have come. Look, Billy Joel, I recognize. This is cool. Look at this. Guys, tell me in the comments how many of these you can recognize. I can't believe I'm looking at this. You Beatle fans out there are loving this right now. Is this some of John Lennon's personal artwork?
Correct.
Wow.
This is John and Yoko, John's personal art. Wow, let's tour some more. Actually, the lights aren't back here. I'm gonna start back here again for a second. So everything here is original except for this couch, correct?
Now that couch is his.
This was his couch.
Stripped off because guests did damage. Because over here are ours.
Okay.
But he did have a white leather sectional in his apartment.
So this is John Lennon's personal little, I'm gonna call it a little love seat.
Seen the video Imagine that shot inside his Times Square apartment.
So the video Imagine was shot inside his Times Square apartment, and I can't believe I'm in a total replica here at Hard Rock Orlando. John Lennon's suit here, tailor-made by John, tailor-made for John Lennon in the early 70s. I am in awe. I've never vlogged anything like this. I mean, I can't believe I'm looking at John Lennon's piano. This is amazing. As we come through, again, this is a replica of his apartment. So he had some pretty cool, unique artwork for sure. I tell you one thing John Lennon didn't have was a flat screen TV though. And look, this is his artwork, guys. Look at this, Remember Love. This is awesome. Check out this table. Amazing, man. Think about like all the memories and John sitting around this table, right? With some of his buddies. Wow. I can just imagine what they might have been talking about and hanging out and thinking. And maybe doing. This is just absolutely amazing. And again, bar area, Capitol Records, gold record there. And I see a bust of John Lennon. Check that out. This is absolutely incredible. I am so thankful of this tour up here. It is so cool. I love the pillars. More artwork of John. It's like he just did these little sketches and they're just so cool, right? And look at this. This thing is just so cool, man. Like, what is he drawing here? It's just all these really cool drawings, man. What was going on in his mind doing that? Amazing, guys. I am just in awe with all this memorabilia. Guys, just look at the awesome artwork. And what did we call this room?
This is the Roots of Rock.
The Roots of Rock. So you're gonna find all your old classic rockers. Oh, it is cool. It's an acoustically perfect room. Let's go over here and check out Johnny Cash's acoustic guitar. All authentic too. Everything in here authentic. So cool. Guys, this is Buddy Holly's wallet. Is that cool or what? All the stuff that was in his wallet. Really, really neat.
There's only 2 of them. And you can tell it's non-English because all the spelling's wrong.
So guys, there are only 2 of these signs, all hand painted from when the Beatles were performing in Germany. That is amazing. Look at that. Very cool. We are now over here, guys, in the Motown area here. And look at George Clinton. He wore that wig, and it's 60 pounds, we were just informed. Wow. Look at Aretha. Let's go check out Aretha there. Can you believe
No,
it?
he was actually like a brown belt in karate.
So this room is
That
dedicated to Elvis,
It's
guys.
the only one in existence.
So let's
That
go check
has
out,
No value, it's priceless. That's the only one.
This is Elvis's, I think they call him a D, right? And he was a brown belt. I didn't even know that Elvis took up karate. This is the only one in existence. Look at this, guys. And this whole room here, all Elvis. Look at all the memorabilia here. Let's go check out. This looks like a sports jacket of Elvis's here. Mr. Ray's Palm Springs was owned and worn by Elvis Presley. Elvis frequently shopped at this men's store while staying at his Palm Springs home. So if you love Elvis, guys, this might be the room you want to hang out in. And I got to tell you, I've been to several Hard Rock cafes. This one by far in Orlando is like, it's blowing away all the other ones I've been to. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at this awesome coat. I mean, look at the style. Elvis was definitely iconic stylist too, wasn't he? He had that hair, he had all the cool clothes. Elvis gave his coat from his personal collection to his friend Mike McGregor, an employee of Elvis Circle G Ranch for many years. Look at that. So he was a genuinely pretty cool dude. All you Dimebag Darrell fans here, check out all of this. Awesome. Whole area dedicated to Dimebag, guys. Really, really Unbelievable damage plan. Look at that. Guys, the Woodstock Room, check it out. Neil Young, acoustic guitar. Jimi Hendrix. Just to show you a little bit. So this room is all from Woodstock. I see Carlos Santana's guitar over here. Unbelievable. And the tour goes on, guys. The concert hall.
So all of these people have played here.
Is Weezer, Bret Michaels. Goes on and on and on. Definitely Ludacris. Lots of awesome people played here in the Hard Rock Orlando. And Bob Dylan's motorcycle, I mean, come on. Look at this. His original motorcycle in 1990, Harley Davidson Softail Custom, Bob Dylan. Let's go check out the rock shop. And as you come in, you got your classic hard rock t-shirts. I just love all the guitars up there. That's an awesome piece of artwork, man. More cool t-shirts. I love this one, the Hard Rock World Tour 1971. Really neat. $40. This is a really cool t-shirt. This is the back here, the Hard Rock Cafe Orlando with the skeleton guitar. Kind of theming for this time of the year with the Halloween vibe. That's really cool. Guys, you'll find bandanas and all kinds of cool things. Patches you can put on your jackets. Also kids section here. Youth sizes. And look, you can even get your little baby rocking at such a young age. Lots of tumblers here, guys. And just different pins. Oh, those are bottle openers, Jake. And keychains. Oh, man. Guitar picks. All kinds of neat little knickknacks. Wow, what a tour today, guys.
Yes.
What a big shout out to Suze, who gave us the tour of John Lennon's apartment, replica apartment. And Roberta, now I know what's behind door 71. As I said in the vlog, I had no idea. That's John Lennon's apartment number in New York City. The piano inside.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
It was amazing.
All original. Everything in that apartment was original, they said, except for the white sectional couch.
Yes.
The coffee table, the artwork, just the knickknacks, everything. Loved it. Shout out to our server today, Austin,
Yes.
who did a wonderful job.
So Sue, Austin, and a big thank you to Hard Rock.
Big thank you to Hard Rock to just say, come on up. And actually, if you see the big guitar there, that's where the replica apartment is. It's right up there. You can actually walk out, which we didn't get a chance because she got busy, but you can walk out there and hang out. It's like kind of like the balcony area of the apartment. So fun, guys. Thank you so much. Over 1,000 subscribers now in Medling World. Thank you to our Patreons. And Roberta,
Yes.
last but not least,
See ya.
no, Roberta, it's like this. See ya!